Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about Harmony One. If you guys don't know much about Harmony One, make sure to quickly like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on because we talk about Harmony One quite a lot on this channel. And if you guys don't know or do know a lot about Harmony One, you're going to figure out real quickly that either way, there is a large amount of increase coming to Harmony One very close in the near future. We see the market cap at a very low $1.3 billion. The volume in the last 24 hours being that 379.3 million, and the circulating supply being 9.4 billion won. So if we take a quick look into some of the recent news on Harmony and then jump back into take a look a little bit deeper into a dive of the price analysis of this 40% increase in the last 24 hours, 7% increase in the last week, obviously a 24% decrease, however, in the last month. We're continuing to see a lot of movement in Harmony, and we're going to kind of cover all of that today. So first off, we jump into nobody can afraid us. We are warriors. We are unstoppable. 1 day plus 42%, 6 month plus 3,400%. So if you guys were in early, obviously you're finding very, very good gains as we are looking at very solid increases. If we take a look at the next one, we have waiting for the speed and cheaper gas of ETH2. Harmony One has it right now. It's incredible. So this is very, very true. And this picture shows that specifically. So 3 million transactions completed, average time 2.017 seconds. Total cost for all transactions, $75. This is unbelievable. Obviously, if you look at Ethereum can cost $75 for one transaction, and you can also see a completed time that is obviously not near that completed time average time. So you're seeing very big potential in Harmony One. If you guys don't know much about Harmony One, dive deeper into the website. You can actually take a little bit of a look at and see why this stuff is really starting to take off, why Harmony One, the coin itself, is starting to do big things. So our validators are a big reason why Harmony is so amazing. They help realize our goal of true decentralization. So get to know all of them here. So if you guys want to take a look at all of these validators, you can do so by going to staking.harmony.one and learn about every single validator available, obviously giving you good information of why Harmony is continuing to do such a great job. Let's head on to the next one. So Harmony Protocol, the website itself, you can learn a lot about what really makes Harmony run. So Harmony brings everyone 2-second finality. If you don't believe us, check out the video below. So it's actually pretty insane, and they have a little video explaining, or I guess showing an example of how fast it really is. It truly is unbelievable. And if you guys want to learn more about it, like I said, go to harmony1.com. I guess it's actually just Harmony One, or I guess harmony.one. To go to their website and actually see what's all going on Harmony One's website. And we go to the next tweet. This is going to be the last tweet we're going to take a look at. The more I dig deeper into one, the more I appreciate the devs behind it. Harmony is connecting all blockchains together, which means that the success of Harmony Protocol is not a success for its holders only, but a success for the entire crypto space. How cool is that? So it's very true. We're going to continue to see Harmony One really revolutionize the entirety of cryptos everywhere pretty much. So I think it's a very big deal to understand why Harmony's big and why there's such a big following behind it. If you guys don't know, Harmony One has a fairly big following. A lot of people understanding that there's massive potential behind it. So you get some of the best, really some of the best holders out there that understand that their project's special and they like to talk about it. And there's nothing wrong with that. I think Harmony One is definitely one, like I said, we talk about a lot on this channel. So if you guys do like Harmony One, if you guys support Harmony One or hold Harmony One, definitely subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and like the video, as we do talk about it quite a lot. So sharding and staking on the mainnet. So it talks more about how to scale Ethereum applications in 2021. Harmony is that sharding protocol with a trustless Ethereum bridge. The developers use Ethereum tooling such as Solidity and Ether.js. Users use MetaMask to store, and they use our bridge to swap Harmony and Ethereum assets. We achieve 2-second finality for fast transactions and support 1,000 delegating stakers for secure hands. A cross-chain Uniswap port is already live on our mainnet, similar to Layer 2 protocols. Harmony is now fully interoperable with the Ethereum ecosystem. You can see some of their stats here, obviously insane, as well as their protocol features, obviously beating out Ethereum pretty much in every one of these features ways. Obviously, they kind of cherry pick the ones they are better at, but it's quite a bit of important stats here that Harmony beats Ethereum, Ethereum 2, and Cosmos, and as well as Polkadot. So we see platform strengths, including things like secure random state sharding, fast consensus with instant finality, and we also have the effective POS and token economics. So like I said, guys, a lot here, a lot to really cover. We're not going to cover much more than that. I think it's going to really show you guys the value, the true value of Harmony, and why we've seen this massive increase in the last 24 hours is specifically, behind the backing of how important this coin is to the ecosystem. Harmony is one, like I said, that will continue to increase throughout the rest of 2021. So before we get started on our price predictions for April, May, and 2021, I will say, guys, I am not a financial advisor, so always do your own research before investing. We see that market cap at that 1.3 billion right now. now. The volume in the last 24 hours being 379.3 million, and the circulating supply being that 9.4 billion one. So it is looking really good. Like I said, these stats are looking fairly solid. We continue to see a healthy price chart with good increases into stabilizations and continues to look that way for this 24-hour period. If we take a look at the last week, we do see, a lot of dips, and obviously we saw it go down to 7 cents. So if you're able to buy in at this very, very sharp decreases, you're already seeing double what you invested. Very, very, very good. I think Harmony One will continue to have these kind of increases. Obviously, anytime you have a market crash like this, it is going to have some struggle. Harmony One didn't have much struggle. We got right back to 14 cents. And I think by the end of April, we are going to continue to see some growth. So without further ado, let's jump straight into those price predictions. But I do want to say before we get started, like I said, we do have a lot of different ways to get this information about Harmony One and other crypto projects. If you want to learn more, make sure to jump in the description below. Follow me on Twitter, as well as join the Discord in the description below. You can talk with crypto like-minded people like myself and yourself, and we can have a discussion about where we think Harmony is going to go, as well as other cryptos. So do that, and let's jump into these price predictions. So by the end of April, where do we think Harmony One will actually make its way to? I think by the end of April, we're going to see a 15 to 16 to 17 cent Harmony. I don't think we have much left in the tank. Obviously, 4 days left, so not much left in the tank. I think we are going to be refilling that tank, though, starting with May. I think by the end of May, we are going to continue to see increases. And I think Harmony will make its way back to its all-time high. Obviously, the all-time high was about that 22.33 cents. And I think that's easily, accessible to us in May. I think May is going to be a big month, therefore pushing our way closer to 25 cents. I think 25 cents should be our price target for the end of May. Even a possibility at 30 cents being a possibility. Like I said, with that market cap being so low, 25 cents is definitely reasonable. I do try to keep my price predictions reasonable, realistic, conservative, and really just as honest as possible with you guys because, I don't want to get swept in the hype like a lot of content creators do. So I will stick with my realistic price predictions right around that 25 to 30 cent mark. By the end of the year, I could see Harmony continuing on a rant. I think we will continue to see, massive increases like this 40% we saw in the last 24 hours. And because of that, I think by the end of the year, we could continue to see Harmony grow past 20, 30, 40, 50 cents. We could easily see Harmony reach close to $1. I think $1 is our price target. A lot of people want Harmony One to reach that $1 amount, and it makes sense. Obviously, everyone wanting to see it. I think that's a great price target for Harmony. Obviously, it could go a little higher, could go a little lower, but there's so much potential behind what they're doing. There's so many, utility reasons why this could be a very big potential year for Harmony. A lot of use cases behind it, like I said, and I think because of that, we're going to see $1 happen this year, and I'm very excited for 2021 to, really give us that Harmony $1 price point. And like I said, I think it's going to happen, and I'm excited to continue to monitor it throughout the rest of 2021. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, talking to me, about Harmony. I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much. If everyone would subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and like the video, I'll see you guys all in the next one.